Woo!
No, we can't start yet.
Oh. We didn't do a fucking opener.
An opener?
Yep, an intro.
Can't we just say this is Cars and Cuss Words episode 4?
This is Cars and Cuss Words, episode 4. I'm the Vlogfather. And this is the D Gobbler. So I guess we'll show you what we already filmed, since we suck at vlogging.
We'll get better. All right, people, this is what we're doing. We're hiding the shirt that Max's been begging me for the last week because we ordered some test shirts. Let me show you. Ordered some test shirts. And Max's been asking me for his all week, but I'm here at the shop before him, so I'm going to hide his fucking shirt, and he's got to find it. He's going to be so mad. Hey! Well, look who finally decided to show up. You've been so consumed by the camera, dude, you didn't even notice.
What'd you do?
Just look straight, dog. Look straight, dog.
Oh, the t-shirt! Woo! I know, I saw it in your videos.
I figured you did, dog.
Hey, how is it? What's the quality like?
Good.
It's a piece of shit. Don't buy them.
Just so you know, Max, I hid your shirt in here because you're always hiding my wallet and forgetting to tell me that you hid my wallet.
Is it in this room?
It is in this room.
You know what, dude? I give. I'm gonna go shirtless today.
You're wearing this shirt right now.
I'll edit it off. Shaft to drive with. Damn, dude.
I'm just gonna tell you. You sure you want me to tell you?
Shut the fuck up. It's not in there. Is it in there? Ah! I quit. You gotta recast me. Should I change my shirt?
Yep.
Right. Woo! You look nice.
Alright, what's the plan for today's episode? Cars and Cuss Words.
I don't fucking know, dude. I really should probably fix this hole in my gas tank.
That's probably a good idea. My plan is to clean all this trim up and spray it. That's my plan. You know what we should do first, Max? You know what we should do first?
What?
We should probably throw this trash away.
Alright, we can try a drone shot.
Throwing the trash out?
Yep.
The quality of our video, fucking fire.
It's gonna be fucking high quality, dog. I'm taking out loans for this shit.
Episode 4, we take out the trash.
Episode 5, Max files for bankruptcy. Alright, so because I wanted my fucking truck to lay low as shit, we got a little problem. There's a gas tank that goes behind the fucking seat, and the tunnel for my drive shaft is in the way of the gas tank. So you might ask yourself, what do you do in this situation? You know, maybe don't go that low. I say fuck that. I say cut the hole in the gas tank and then figure it out from there, you know? All right, there she is, all freaking done. Hopefully she don't leak. Now, I just gotta fill it up with water and hope she don't leak.
What kind of food we getting?
On the road again. You probably can't hear me, but that's okay. Oh yeah. Fucking drunk. No! No! My hand! Shut the fuck. Oh! No, we'll pick it up on the way back.
Alright, how's that thing tasting, dude?
I'm scared.
He's gonna put a hair right on his pussy. I wanna dip my dick in it and lick it off. Shit. It's really peeing my E.
Eat your E.
Yeah.
What does that stand for?
I don't know. Fuck! Good thing no one's behind us.
Looking good so far. It's the best stuff. That's why I sprayed mirrors or mirror caps, mirror covers, whatever you want to call them, on my E90 in. It is a plastic resurfacer. It doesn't just sit on top, it eats its way through.
Look who finally decided to show up. Hey there. God damn it.
You're luckily that my stream isn't that strong. From all that dildo, all them dildos I had in my prostate gland, pushing on it, making my pee-pee not come out right.
So you see here, this hole, we have to fill it with something.
We gotta fill this fucker up with water. But we don't have a spigot. This.
That might actually fucking work.
Oh, fuck. No. God damn.
Dumbass!
Oh, wait, hold on. I got it, dude.
I wouldn't touch the pipe on the end of it.
Better, dude.
Last time that brown stuff's from my asshole.
Oh, shit!
That's fucking thick. Whoop. That's a good job.
All right, she's all full of water.
Your
trim
These
sucks.
guys need to see the trim.
It looks horrible.
Did you get enough shots of my side skirt extensions?
Nope. My block children!
This is my first time being on live television.
And apparently, I've never been on live television before.
Tonight and the vlog is over. The vlog is over. I don't want to wait. I feel my bitch to get caught on. No, I want to. I need it now.
Good night.